We have some more medical news for you tonight. The new cervical cancer vaccine developed locally is now being tested here in Rochester to find out how effective it is at reducing and preventing cancer. This new study is funded by the National Centers for Disease Control and Prevention and will be conducted by the U of R Medical Center. Dr. Nancy Bennett with the U of R is in charge of the study. She says researchers are looking at how many women are receiving the vaccine and whether it's having an impact on reducing rates of cervical cancer and precancerous lesions.
We have seen 19. It takes quite a while for the infection with HPV to turn into cervical cancer. And so reducing the infection rate right now will result in reductions in the cancer rate, but that'll take some time to see.
Approximately 3 out of every 4 sexually active people will get an HPV infection that could lead to cervical cancer. The vaccine is now being given to young girls beginning at age 11 or 12.
Well, again, the mercury fillings in your mouth cause harm to an unborn baby. Doctors at the Eastman Dental School have been awarded a first-of-its-kind $3 million grant to study that question. Researchers want to know whether exposure to mercury vapor from fillings can affect neurological development in babies. Dr. Gene Watson will look at children who live on Seychelles. That's an island nation in the Indian Ocean. Their exposure to methylmercury is high because of the amount of seafood they eat. And now doctors here want to know if a mother's dental history can also have an impact on children.
What I've done here is we know that the developing nervous system is more sensitive to mercury. So that's why there's greater concern right now about what's going on prenatally. Is there a condition? Because something that exposure early on may result in some sort of a deficit.
Now, the presence of mercury and its effects on the brain is a debate that has been going on for 150 years.
Well, this next story is for the men in your family. The U of R Medical Center is holding a free prostate cancer screening for men over the age of 40. It's tomorrow from 4 to 6 at the St. Joseph Neighborhood Center. That's on South Avenue. You have to register, so here's the number to call, 32552.